I really like this answers to the egg lab, and it's because he actually this group with Fanta, Earn, and Amam went and did something extra. If you do something extra, you should actually really talk to me to make sure it's safe. So what they did vinegar, they did water, and they did Coke. I think what's going to happen in all your labs, if you do vinegar, it's kind of nasty because the vinegar breaks down the eggshell and the egg will kind of like start to rot. Once the eggshell is broken, the egg will start to rot. I think what's supposed to happen with the Coke is it will dissolve the eggshell, but we had to keep it a couple more days. I was just worried about making a mess at your homes. So here's our pictures. Day 1, day 2, and day 3. You see a significant difference in the vinegar as opposed to the water and egg. In this lab, the water is the control. Nothing should happen with the water. So you should be able to use the water from the egg in the water to compare with the egg in the Coke. The vinegar is just a bonus because we weren't supposed to do vinegar. Anyway, here's some nice little observations from the egg. There's no observations for day 3 here, but there should be. Nothing changed, nothing changed. The color of the egg has changed to like Coke color. And so what happens for the Coke egg is the egg shell should be changing based on the Coke eating away the eggshell. The vinegar is very serious because it will eat the eggshell, and the egg will change, and it will start to smell really bad. In the conclusion, what results do you get with egg and water, egg and Coke? You should have nothing happen with egg and water, and there should be something happen with egg and Coke. That I know. What do you think causes this? There are a number of things that could possibly happen. Um, Coke is acidic, and you would have to do a little bit of research to know that Coke is acidic, and that acid will eat away the shell of the egg. Um, if we did salt water, maybe it would dissolve the eggshell. You would have to take a guess. Why do we take the air out of the bag? And that's a perfect answer. We take the air out of the bag to test if there'll be a gas given off from the eggshell. So these answers are very nice. I like the presentation. It's very simple, and that's why I chose it to show you the answers to the egg lab. So in conclusion, what happens with the egg lab is the water with the egg should have nothing. The egg and the Coke should start to eat away the eggshell, and the eggshell should change color. It might even break. The vinegar is a bonus. The vinegar will eat the eggshell, and it will make the egg almost like become like a pickled egg. It is very smelly. There is a very serious chance for a disaster. That's why we didn't do that. Thank you again to Earn, Fanta, and Om Om for class M101.